Non-duality is unity. You're watching this. Hopefully, you're going, well, duh. I mean, we're looking for the unity of all things. We're looking how all things are united. We're looking for total oneness. So obviously, non-duality is unity. But the more we can tell ourselves that, the closer we are to stepping into it. No matter how confused you are, if you're actively looking for unity, you'll find it because there's so much unity going on. Find ways to live that bring unity to mind constantly. One good way to do that would be become a biologist. Biologists are simply studying unity. Become a physicist. That's what physicists are doing. They're studying unity and how much unity is united with all the other unity. Become an artist. Artists are about blending things together into a harmonious field of unity. Simply go and enjoy art, and you'll be in a field of unity. And look at it and be amazed at the creativity that's behind it. Spend time in nature. Nature is just nothing but unity. Everything working together, even the things that kill each other, are working together to create the harmony of the environment of nature. So look for unity. And the more you look and appreciate it, the closer and closer you are to seeing this unity in yourself, because that's your birthright. That's how you were also born, completely in unity with everything. Non-duality, the non-dual state, is knowing this unity consciously. So look for it.